Next is ask the patient if he pee first. Excuse me, do you pee first? Okay. Please tilt your buttocks. Yan. Then, I will turn around for the fantasy. Are you finished?
Yes.
Yes. Then, check the perineum of the patient if there are any irritation or infection, and check the urine if they have discoloration, urine discoloration. Then, take the jab, wash. Then, remove the implant. Next, continue to clean the perineum of the patient. Take the long forceps and warm water with pH care or mineral wash. Then soak the warm water from pubis, labia majora, urinary meatus, labia minora, vagina to anus, one stroke downward and dispose. Take again cotton balls, soak warm water from pubis, labia majora, urinary meatus, labia minora, vagina and to anus, one stroke downward. Okay, next for the groin. Take the cotton balls, soak in water, then inverted 7. Next, the other side, take the cotton balls of the warm water, inverted 7. Then dispose. This is with cholesterol in your teeth. Then, I will lift you to the other side to clean your buttocks. For the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Then, take the washcloth, soak in warm water, clean the buttocks from clean to dirtiest. 1, 2, 3,